Unblocking Chrome and allowing network access via firewall. As one of the most popular internet browsers today, Google Chrome is the browser of choice for professionals and individuals alike. But what happens when Chrome is blocked from accessing your network? Keep watching to learn how to unblock Chrome using your network's firewall. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Unblocking Chrome via Windows Firewall. Firewalls are security mechanisms that monitor the traffic coming in and out of your computer. They serve as a barrier, preventing untrusted applications from accessing your files. However, there are times when these programs may be slightly overzealous and block programs we need like Chrome. To unblock the browser, check your Windows Firewall by opening the Start menu and searching for Windows Security. Under Firewall and Network Protection option, select Allow App through Firewall. A list of applications should come up. Scroll until you find Google Chrome, then click it. Ensure that both the private and public checkboxes are selected. If you can't find Google Chrome, click the Allow Another App button, then browse. You'll have to find Chrome's executive file for this step to work. It is typically located in the following path. Once you've found Google Chrome, click OK to apply these settings. Unblocking Chrome via third-party apps. Third-party antivirus or security suites come with their own firewalls, and these may be the cause of your issue. The specific steps for unblocking Chrome will depend on the software you're using, but the general process is as follows. Open your antivirus software and go to the Security or Protection tab. Scroll down to find the list of allowed or trusted applications. If Google Chrome is on the list, make sure it is allowed for both incoming and outgoing connections. If Google Chrome is not on the list, find the option for adding an application and click OK. From there, use the Browse option to locate Chrome as outlined in the previous step. Save your changes, then restart Chrome to see if you are able to access it. And there you have it. 2 methods for allowing Chrome to access your network. Both methods are fairly straightforward and require little coding knowledge, so you can access the internet in no time. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to grant Chrome network access through your firewall linked in the description below.